So we're in the middle of renovations. This is the bathroom. This is the tub. And there's a tiny little cupboard in there. The contractor's supposed to come back and put shelves in and a small door he's supposed to make. Yeah. The toilet is the only thing we have in here working right now. This is where our vanities, well actually the vanity's supposed to be over a little bit more. So they screwed that piping up. And up above they got the light fixture, so it's not in the right spot, so he's supposed to fix that. Down on the floor here, I have a bigger heater that was in the room because this was half of a bedroom cut in half and now a bathroom, and I wanted the bigger heater because that little one doesn't work, so they made a little boo-boo there and put the wrong heater in here. But they're supposed to come back and fix it. And this is going to be our new tub. They told me they will be able to have access to it, and he's supposed to make sure it's in place for the tile guy to come. And it's not all plumbed up yet. He said he has to wait for the tile guy to go do that. I don't know because the tub's not solid in place, so I thought it would have to be solid in place. But anyway, the floor tile has to be done first. And this is our cubby hole we had to get them to build for our washer and dryer. We had to get stockables. So originally they said it would fit in this little space, but it was obvious it didn't, so we had to get them to fix that and put it back here. So right here, the plumber put there, me and my husband just fixed a little plate on the outside because he had it too close to the wall and it wasn't fitting. The thing is there, my husband put that in, the electrician's supposed to come back. And he hasn't put a place for the vent anywhere for the dryer, so we're going to work on that today ourselves because I called him. He got paid on Friday and left, and no one came back. So, and when I called him today, he said he wasn't coming back. He did all his work, and that just the trades had to be finished, the plumber and the tile guy. So, and he was supposed to put another coat of paint on. I don't know if you could see it, but the white's blended in there on the green and on the seams. And it's not going all the way down here. And the trim isn't on yet. But he's done, he said. So it looks like we're going to be on our own to finish it. And we still have a blanket up. He didn't put the door on. So hopefully I'm going to just videotape and I'll get back to you and let you know whether it actually does finish it. Hopefully he does. My husband thinks he'll be back to finish. The other room is in this barn door we bought to cover where the washer and dryer is supposed to be put on. And in here, that's the back of that wall, and apparently he's not doing that wall. That's left for us. He's only doing one side. And then this is the back part of that. And there's supposed to be another plug put in this part of the wall. The electrician said he would come back for that. But we called Burton's and Cindy Mines to come up and give us an estimate on putting the tile down because he just told us not at least till the 15th before he comes back. Today is the 8th or 9th. And I thought right now I have some vacation days. I thought I was going to be able to go visit my son, but that's not happening because we're stuck with dealing with this.